What if I tell you, today I'll be sharing with you 3 secrets of how to engage your audience. And these secrets are free. Free. But before coming to the secrets, let me just revise what we had learned yesterday, how to engage your audience. So the first was, we need to start our presentation with a huge smile, a powerful smile. The powerful smile with a powerful energy and a powerful eye contact can hook the audience immediately. Why? Because the audience try to match their energy with the speaker. They feel comfortable. That was the first. The second is, start your presentation with a quote by famous people. Now there are 2 advantages of sharing a quote. First, it adds weightage to that particular quote if you state that quote by a famous person. And second, if you enter that quote something like this. I remember that day I was reading a book and I came across this beautiful quote by this famous personality. What happened was, you are entering a story. You are telling the audience a short story that day you were reading a book and you came across this quote. And you thought, wow, I need to share this quote with my audience. So there are 2 advantages. One, you have shared the quote by the famous personality, and second, you have also shared a short story from your life. The third is, use very little information. Little I mean, don't use lot of information in your one video. Because many of us, what we do, we give out lot of content in one video and people on the way lose their interest. So keep your information limited to 2, 3 or max to max 4, not more than 4. Okay, this will keep people, the audience, interested in your video. Now coming to the 3 secrets which I want to share in today. The first secret is, start with a question. Now why question? Because the advantage is, the question makes people actually interested in your talk. Some people, they are actually just relaxed and listening to your talk. Yeah. Suddenly you are charging up by telling them, asking them a question, and they get, oh, she's asking me some question, let me just think, right? So question makes people alert. So ask your audience a question. Also, you remember how I started today's video? What if I tell you, right? So you all got interested. What if I tell you she's going to tell me something, right? So that was, ask a question. The second secret is, when you are starting your presentation, right at the start, after the question or something, you can tell them that in this video, what are you going to share? Okay, so if you remember how I started, what if I tell you, I will be sharing 3 secrets of how to engage your audience. So you already know what to expect from my video, right? So people get interested that, okay, I need to watch the entire video to get to know the secrets. So similarly, you need to, right at the start of the video, you need to tell audience what to expect. How many things are you going to share? And right, like I said, share only minimum amount of things or content with the audience. That was my second secret. The third secret is economy of words. What we all do, we tend to use like, why. All these are filler words. This is also filler word. So do not use filler words, because the economy of words is very important when you are giving a speech. So how you can avoid filler words? Filler words can be avoided by using a statement like, I remember I was going across an article in the newspaper or I came across a book which stated this. So if you use some kind of sentences like this, what happens is if you're coming out of one phase to the other, instead of using a filler word like you know, I know, you can use this particular statement to change your transition from one phase to the other. Okay, that was economy of words. So that you can always learn from Praveen sir's TED Talks. Someone watching me, that TED Talk has very beautiful words he have used and no filler words. Apart from that, even Praveen sir had recommended us to watch Dhananjay Hitarachi's 7-minute video on TEDx, where he had mentioned whichever talk he gives for 7 minutes, the economy of words are so correct. You know, every word that he uses in his speech are like diamonds. So he doesn't use the filler words. So we need to learn from those videos. So that was my 3 secrets for you all. What you learned, the 3 secrets: first, start with a question. Second, start by giving what to expect, what is the audience going to expect. And third, economy of words. So with that, I'm coming to end of my video. Hope you liked it. Hope is also a filler word. Okay, see you in my next video. Until then, keep smiling and keep shining. Take care. Bye bye.